My name is Sarita. I'm the owner of Smack, which is short for Sarita's Macaroni and Cheese. We're located in the East Village in Manhattan, and we are in our 17th year of business. Anyone who started a small business has done it because they have some fire in them. Once you start, you can't be stopped. Vista Credit's been our main lender over this multitude of years we've been in business. We have such a history now, and through ups and downs, and I feel like they've always been there for us. There's so many different reasons you need extra money, extra financing. There are things changing all the time. Like a pandemic happens and you have to figure out how you're gonna set your restaurant up now and make it accessible for people. You need to be able to have that turnaround time quickly, and Vista Credit does it for you. We first started using Vista Credit at a time when we had 3 locations and were super stretched thin, and they were willing to work with us where a lot of people weren't at the time. And we are really appreciative because honestly, if we didn't have them at the time, I don't know where we would be today.